Hey everybody, I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures, and today we're going to do farmers market tips and tricks, and our topic is going to be setting up a business profile on social media. I know a lot of folks that are out at the farmers markets and festivals, they run a lot of their, when you're doing crafts and business, they run them off of their personal page, and that's a big no-no. You should be running a business page, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media platform you're using. Setting up a professional business page instead of using your personal page is going to give you business tools that aren't available to you on your personal page, but it's also going to allow people to tag you. When your other businesses are trying to tag your business or they're trying to share your products, a lot of times it's impossible or it's not able to be done to share your personal page. So make sure you're setting up a business page. It's going to help increase your reach. It's going to help people find your product, and it's a lot more professional and streamlined. So if you have any questions with that, reach out to me. I can help you with it at anchoredmarketventures.com, and let's get you going and spruced up at the farmers market, y'all. Also make sure that you like and follow our page, and like and comment our videos. We can't wait to see you guys at the next market.